In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp's time tracking feature effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open ClickUp in your web browser or launch the desktop application. Once you're there, take a moment to sign in. If you're already signed in, that's great. You're ready to jump into your workflow. It's important to ensure that you're situated in the correct workspace. Just take a quick glance to make sure everything looks right on your account. Working in the right place sets the stage for a productive session ahead. Next, let's navigate to the space where your projects reside. This could be a specific project space related to a client, a dedicated team space, or whichever area you typically work in. Once you've found it, open the list you want to track time on. In ClickUp, time tracking is available as a field in the list view. If you can't see any columns in your list, don't worry. You can easily switch to the list layout for that specific space or folder. Now, let's add the time tracking field. Look over to the far right of your task columns for a small plus icon. It's pretty straightforward. Just click that plus icon to add a new field. A search bar will pop up. All you need to do is type in time. From the results, select the time tracking field. Once you add it, you'll notice a new column for time appear right alongside your tasks. This is where all your time entries will be recorded. When it comes time to log time for a particular task, click directly into its time cell and choose the option to add time. A window will open where you can input how long you worked on that task. You can simply type in the duration you want to record. If your project requires more detailed records, you can even set the date and input precise start and end times. This can be particularly helpful if your team needs that level of specificity for reporting purposes. If it helps you stay organized, feel free to add a brief note describing what you did during that time, or apply tags for easy categorization of your entry. When you're satisfied with your input, go ahead and click Save to record it. Now, if you're someone who prefers to track time on the fly, you can run a live timer. Just click the time area for that specific task again and start the timer. You'll see it start tracking immediately in real time, which can be quite motivating. Once you've completed the task, simply click the same spot to stop the timer. Your total time worked is automatically captured, allowing you to have a clear understanding of how long it took to complete that work. To review your time tracking details across various tasks, look for the clock icon located in the top right corner of ClickUp. This will open your time tracking panel, where you can view all your entries. What's great is that you can edit any entries if needed, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. For a broader overview of your time, you can open your timesheet. This feature shows your entire time history, making it easy to scan through daily or weekly totals. It's also simple to spot any gaps or make quick corrections. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully added the time tracking field, logged manual entries, used the live timer, and reviewed your time history. By following this flow each time you start your work, you'll have clean, reliable data to help you plan, estimate, and report with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this feature as beneficial as many others do. See you in the next video.